Hello, my name is Nelson David Heredia. I have 19 years old. I belong to the Immaculate Conception community. Currently, I live in Restrepo Meta. I am going to tell a short story of my life where I was in the hand of God. In the year 2050 back, then I was 14 years old, and this age my mother told me to pray with the Holy Rosary, and since this experience with the Holy Virgin Mary, I started to feel a vocational concert, and at the age of 15 in the month of January I started a process of discernment under the keeping and protection of Mary, full of grace in my life.